Hello students, welcome to Raj Malhotra IAS Academy. Welcome to our daily Seize the Mains challenge. So today we will look at another session from the Seize the Mains series. So let's look at our question. So the question is related to very recent thing that is coming in the news. It is relating to windfall tax. So the question is, what is a windfall tax and what are the issues with imposition of windfall tax? So first of all we have two things in front of us कि पहली बात windfall tax क्या है and second thing that is of most importance is कि इसके साथ issues क्या हैं windfall tax के साथ. अगर इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में आपको हल्की सी भी नॉलेज है तो आप इतना तो जानते हैं कि ये जो windfall tax है ये दो चीज़ों की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा लगाया गया है. Two events have particularly shaped the imposition of this windfall tax. One is the recovery period after pandemic and second thing is Russia-Ukraine war. This has two events have led to the imposition of this windfall tax. So we will now try to look in the subsequent slides how to answer the question and what is the content in the question that we have to write. Now, सबसे पहले what is a windfall tax? These are imposed by government against certain industries when they experience above average profits due to economic conditions. When certain industries experience above average profits, then only this tax is levied. This tax was imposed after the companies were seen to be making abnormal profits with oil prices. Now this is very important. ये basically बात कर रहे हैं कंपनीज की जो abnormal price profits कमा रही थी with the oil prices shooting up in the global markets due to this geopolitical turmoil. Windfall taxes are primarily directed on companies in a certain industry that sees the most windfalls इकोनॉमिकली. तो ये चीज़ तो हमें समझ में आ जाती है कि जब विंडफॉल टैक्स की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो उन कंपनीज पे लगाया जा रहा है जो कि किसी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन की वजह से या अगर हम बात करें किसी जियोपॉलिटिकल टर्मोइल चल रहा है उसकी वजह से सडन उन इंडस्ट्री को फायदा हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से अबव एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं वो जो कंपनीज गेन कर रही हैं तो उन्हीं के ऊपर गवर्नमेंट एक टैक्स लिवाई कर रही है बाय द नेम ऑफ विंडफॉल tax. Now we will try to look it in more in detail. Okay, what are the issues? The second part of the question says what are the issues. So first of all is uncertainty in the market. Companies are confident in investing in a sector if there is certainty and stability in a tax regime. This thing is very important. If a company has to invest in India या किसी में भी कोई भी कंपनी इन्वेस्ट करना चाहती है वो चाहती है कि एक टैक्स रिजीम जो हो स्टेबल हो, सर्टेन हो. सिंस विंडफॉल टैक्सेस आर इम्पोज्ड रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली के बैक डेट से भी इंप्लाई किए जा सकते हैं एंड आर ऑफर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय अनएक्सपेक्टेड इवेंट्स, दे कैन ब्रू अनसर्टेनिटी इन द मार्केट अबाउट फ्यूचर टैक्सेस. सी अगर कंट्री के अंदर तो अगर ऐसे टैक्सेस लिवाए होंगे, विंडफॉल टैक्सेस आर इम्प्लाइड, इट वुड बी अ we could say demoralize the investor because they can think that it can be applied retrospectively as well and they can be applied anytime if economic situation changes. So there is uncertainty, that is an issue. Populist in nature है ज़्यादा ये. It is believed that such taxes जनता की भलाई के लिए और political opportunity के लिए होते हैं for the short term period. This is one of the issues. Reduces future investment. Introducing a temporary windfall profit tax reduces future investment because prospective investors will internalize the likelihood of potential taxes when making investment decisions. क्योंकि uncertainty ज़्यादा है, कभी भी टैक्स इम्प्लाई किया जा सकता है, अप्लाई किया जा सकता है, लिवाई किया जा सकता है. So it is very difficult that it can harm the investment, we can say mood of the country and it can change the mindset of the investors. Now we can discuss other points as well. They are not defined precisely. ये सबसे बड़ी issue है जब हम बात करते हैं windfall taxes की. It is not defined what exactly constitutes true windfall profits and how it can be determined what level of profits is normal or excessive. They say कि windfall tax apply किया जाएगा above average profits के ऊपर. बट ये अबव एवरेज प्रॉफिट क्या होगा, ये कौन डिटरमाइन करेगा? हु विल डिटरमाइन वेदर द प्रॉफिट इज अबव एवरेज और नॉट? If rapid increase in price lead to higher profits, in one sense it can be called true windfall as they are unforeseeable, but it can be argued that the profit the companies earned as a reward for the industry's risk taking to provide the final product. अगर वो कंपनी रिस्क भी तो ले रही है साथ में, if it is trying to deliver the end product, so there is lot of thoughts that it is not defined precisely. Also it is not defined who should be taxed. Only the big companies responsible for the bulk of high price sales or the smaller companies as well. तो ये चीज डिपेंड नहीं बताई गई है कि on whom this tax would be levied, कि बिग कंपनीज के ऊपर लगाया जाएगा या स्मॉल कंपनीज के ऊपर लगाया जाएगा. सो दिस वाज द टू पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर टुडेस क्वेश्चन, दैट व्हाट इज अ विंडफॉल टैक्स and what is the basic issues. At the end you have to conclude with an optimistic approach, that you have to tell a little about the advantages it could have for the government, like it can increase the fiscal discipline as well, increase the receipts of the government, but everything has to be kept in mind while taking such a decision. So guys, this was our question from the Daily Seize the Mains series. I hope you like it. If you like it, do share and subscribe it. Thank you so much.